Why are you not a crorepati? आप करोड़पति क्यों नहीं हो? यार बच्चा करोड़पति बन रहा है. Young kids are making crore plus. They're in 20s. Why are you still struggling to make money? Now there could be many reasons, but there's one main reason why you are still not a crorepati. It's because you do not understand how the money works. You don't understand what is your relationship with money. And unless you don't understand this, you will not become a crorepati. If you in your head thinking that पैसा बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है, जॉब करते रहो, हार्ड वर्क करते रहो, कभी तो पैसा बनेगा 10, 20, 50 साल के बाद, then you're living in a dream. It's an illusion. There is a process, there is a way that you can make 1 crore in the fastest possible way, in a genuine and authentic way. But uske liye na, you need to learn how money works. You need to build a great relationship with money, and don't think money is evil, money is hard, money is difficult to make. Don't think that, I cannot make a lot of money, I cannot start a business, I cannot grow my business. अगर ये सोचते रह गए तो फिर बस निकल जाएगी. Who is this guy, you must be thinking? My name is Dev Gadhvi, and the kind of life that I'm living right now, I cannot even dream as I was growing up when I was in a job. I come from a humble family. I became the first generation multi-millionaire, wrote 2 books, best-selling, TEDx and Josh Talk speaker. I can travel the world, meet amazing celebrities, interacting with them, talking to them, inviting them for events. I cannot believe this life has changed. The only reason is I understood how the money works and I built a great relationship with money. How can you do that? I'm doing a 3-hour webinar, and I will share entire process of how do you start finding your passion all the way to building the business around it so that you can live the life of your dreams and become the first crorepati in the family. ये मेरा सपना है. This is my passion, this is my purpose. I want to create millions of first generation crorepatis and millionaires. Are you one of them? If so, click the link, join me and hundreds of other people who are looking to learn how to become a crorepati in the genuine, authentic and fastest way. This is Dev Gadhvi. I'll see you in the webinar.
I was in the lowest point of my life, but because of Dev sir and his words, I am here right now and I overcome that point.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. It's no more making money, but it's more like serving peoples.
People who haven't yet tasted the Passionpreneur movement or the blood, guys, you don't know what living life is all about yet.